Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Syska SSK MPS0401 Quadra Plug. This is a smart plug from Syska. So we have some information here. So first of all, this is what this particular Quadra Plug looks like. You will notice that there are two 3-pin sockets here and two 2-pin sockets. From the image itself, I will obviously give you a closer look. Some specifications are mentioned here. It says this is a universal socket. It comes with rocker switch, LED on-off indicator, and a sleek design. And you have some applications mentioned. This is good for home application, computers and laptops, precious instruments, TV, DVD, VCD player, and also sensitive electronic equipment. And this supports a power of 1500 watts and can operate on 240 volts of electricity, which is pretty standard. And this is it. I will open this and show you what's inside. And there you go. This is what the Quadra Plug looks like. This is the part that will go into the wall socket. Make sure you have a 3-pin wall socket, of course. And it's made out of white ABS plastic material. It's a solid structure to it. There are two 2-pin slots, two 2-pin ports right on top, and there are two 3-pin ports over here. There's also an LED indicator, and this is your rocker switch. And this is it. That's what you will find inside the box containing the Syska SSK MPS0401 Quadra Plug. Thank you for watching.